guys, so welcome to another review, and today we're going to review the Keychron K8 wireless mechanical keyboard. Yay! So I bought it from Shopee and it cost me a 94.40 Singapore dollars or 70.96 USD. So without further ado, let's take a look at the box or at the front, as you can see, and on the bottom, yep, and on the back, let's see. So TKL layout, okay, dual compatibility, compatible for Windows and macOS, wireless or wired, so we can choose between wireless or wired. So pair up to 3 devices, switch between 3 devices in a few seconds. Battery life, so yeah, with the capacity of 4000 milliamperes, so the battery life should last for 4 weeks when backlight is disabled. 15 plus effects to switch from. Later we'll see about that. And yep, side, the logo Keychron. Now let's open this bad boy. Alright, nice box by the way. Ready guys, let's go. Okay, so we have color, okay. If you're a Windows user, please find appropriate keycaps to following following keycaps. Okay, wow, so this keyboard had a keycap for Mac and Windows. This is nice. Oops, something dropped. On the side we have, we have the keycaps for Windows. So by default it's Mac keys. Wow, very nice, very nice. Okay, we have keycaps for Windows and also the cord for switching it to wired. So this is USB and type C. Wow, so this is the keyboard. Okay, and we have the instruction manual. Let's see keyboard. Alright, still it has more protection, plastic.
By the way guys, I got the brown Keychron switches, but it's available for blue and red switches. So here's the sound.
That's very quickly. The same with my current keyboard that I'm using. So I don't really like the, how to say, the loud ones. That's why I bought the brown keys. So yeah, take a look. Okay, so the material here is, there's some metal. I think this is plastic. Yeah, it's also plastic, so be careful. But it's a bit heavy. I don't know why. Okay, the stand. On the side we have the switch. So the Type-C port, choosing between Bluetooth off or wired? Cable. Okay, let's switch this for Bluetooth. Okay, wow, we have our backlight on. Next, F1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the Bluetooth indicator lights on. I think it should be, yep. So guys, so if the keyboard is ready for pairing, I think, yeah, the Bluetooth should light up. Then let's connect. Okay, now we're connected. We'll see if it works. I'm sorry guys, I cannot show you my MacBook. So let's see other features. Press 1 for light. Okay, so let's check out what are the effects. Okay, next. Wow. Okay, next. Oh wow. Next. Okay, next. Oh, is it off? Oh wow, you need to type. Okay. Let's turn it off. Okay. Wow. I need the monitor light. Right, next. Wow, it's a wave. Next. Wow, yeah. The ripple effect. Wow. Next. It's on this side. Okay, what's that? Alright, that's all. Is it? Okay, the fade out. Okay. I think we already see the wall effect. Yep. I think we all see the effects. So yeah.
For the conclusion, I really like that can be wireless and wired. Also, it has keycaps for switching between Windows and Mac. I'm really looking forward for using this for my work. Yep. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.